through gasification pyrolysis. The equipment comes in various capacities depending on the volume of waste generated by the LGU. How does the equipment work? AWS EPCD is a Japanese technology manufactured in Indonesia, which uses the gasification pyrolysis system. Gasification pyrolysis system is a thermal process which uses high temperatures to break down and disintegrate wastes. This process doesn't use direct burning and only uses less oxygen, which results to less harmful pollutants of down to 80 to 90% reduction of harmful gases or particulate matters, such as carbon dioxide, sulfur oxides, nitrogen oxides, particulate matter, dioxin, and furan, and is complying based on the emission standard set by the DENR. Excess heat of the cyclone will be used to food waste dryer. Dried food waste will be pulverized and used for fertilizer. For startup purposes only, the equipment utilizes diesel fuel for about an hour in order to initiate the ignition, especially on waste with a very high moisture. Once the desired temperature is attained, the thermal process is being maintained constant by a 1.5 horsepower blower. On a separate chamber, the wastes are first shredded and fed in a closed screw-type conveyor to prevent gas leakages and heat conservation. The feeding chamber has a capacity of 3 to 4 cubic meters per hour, or approximately equivalent to 1.412 tons per hour, of different kinds of solid wastes such as used sachets, plastic bags, styrofoams, food waste, agricultural waste, diapers, single-use plastics, and other solid wastes which have become residual waste due to contamination. In order to ensure that the emitted gases are not harmful, the AWS EPCD is equipped with two types of air pollution control devices, a cyclone gas absorption chamber and a wet-type scrubber to ensure compliance to air emission standards set by the Republic Act 8749, or otherwise known as the Philippine Clean Air Act of 1999. Wastewater from the scrubber is being treated by a dryer, which evaporates the water and leaving dried sludge which may be used as raw material for making hollow blocks or the likes. Solid waste fed in the AWS EPCD will be reduced to ashes as its end product, which is approximately 4% of its original volume. These ash residues can then be used as construction material